Hello, today for my home lab series, I'm going to be learning about group policy objects, how to create them and link them and test them. Imagine you're in a school and your teacher makes rules like no phones in class. Those rules apply to every student in the class automatically. If a new student joins, they follow the same rules without the teacher repeating them. That's exactly how group policy objects work. You can think of Active Directory as the school where all the computers and users are students. The group policy objects are the rules made by IT admins, which are the teachers, and when a user logs in or a computer starts up, Active Directory gives them the correct rules or group policy objects. What group policy objects can control are two things: user configuration and computer configuration. User configurations are rules for people, like hiding control panel, forcing desktop wallpaper, and redirecting documents. For computer configuration, for rules for machines, you can enforce password policies, block USB drives, and enable firewall. Why group policy objects are powerful? They are powerful because they have consistency, which will every user computer follows the same settings. Also, good for security, will be stopping people from changing things, and that weakens protections. And automation, one group policy object applies rules to hundreds of thousands of machines at once. And so today I'm going to be creating restrict control panel access. I'm going to go to Tools, Group Policy Management. And then here's my domain, seattle.contoso. I'm going to right click, create GPO, and this domain, link it here. You'll always want to name the group policy what it is. So restrict control panel. And then restrict control panel will be right there, and you want to right click and go to edit. And then this will be a user configuration. And then you want to go to policies. From policies, you want to go to administrative templates, control panel, and then you will go down to prohibit access to control panel and PC settings. You double click there, and then right here you click enable, and it will also tell you right here in this description. This settings removes control panel from the start screen. The settings removes PC settings from the start screen. Settings charm account pictures disables all control panel programs in the PC settings app. So I'm going to click apply and OK. And then from here I can go to exit that, and then I'm going to go to Seattle, go to my group policy objects. I'm going to see if I can scroll down to computers. And then since it's the users, I'm going to take this group policy object. Before I do that, I'm going to remove. You can just remove them for right now. You can add them back in later. Just ignoring that. And I'm going to add in to check names for my John Doe. Okay. And then I'm going to move this to my users. And should link up. Let's see if he has. Oh, apply group policy. Apply. No, that's created owner. Where's you? Oh, apply group policy. Okay. Let's see if this works. I'm just going to command prompt. Force the update. See if that will help. That done. Okay. That's linked. John Doe. I wonder if I'll have to. I'm gonna do that on here just in case. Force the update so it doesn't have to wait. Oh, it's gonna make me. Or is it what it's making me do? My domain? It's asking for you to log into my domain. Let's see if this works. Control panel. It's because it didn't update. Why is it making me command prompt? Wow. GP update. Force. No. Did I come out of that? I'm gonna log him out and see. Signed out and that's updated. Okay. Do I have to restart these? Is that why? Let's see what happens if I force. Can I just force this? Let's enforce it. Or do I need to add the authenticated users back in? Okay. Control panel. Ah, there we go. The operation has been canceled due to restrictions. Alright, so that group policy was created. I'm still brand new to group policy. So, just kind of going over all my notes and everything. Okay. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you for watching.